This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We can't wait to go to nursery today. Come on. Itchy heads. We go to Tiddlywinks Nursery School 3 mornings every week with our friend Kerry.
Hi Dominique, how you doing?
I'm all right, thanks. And today, we're all going to be given parts in the nursery school play. Come on, let's go. I want to know who I am in the 3 Little Pigs.
Oh, of course, the play. How exciting.
I want to be a little pig. Oink, oink. Me too. Oink, oink.
Do you want to be a pig as well, Kerry?
Mummy, can you help me?
Oink. Let me help you with your helmet.
oink,
There
oink,
we
oink,
go.
oink. Oink, oink.
Perfect. Good. Oinking,
Oink,
Tim.
oink.
Now let me get your helmet on.
Oink, oink, oink,
Here we
oink,
go.
oink,
Tim,
oink,
darling,
oink.
come here. Let me get your helmet on. Good boy. Oh, you're scratching your head a bit. Is it itchy?
Yeah. Oink, oink.
Did you see the email from the nursery school last week?
What?
Yeah. Oh, nits, of course.
Well, it just might be.
Nits?
Tim, put your helmet down by the kettle for me. I need to get as much light as possible.
Mummy tells us that our teacher, Miss Maple, sent an email saying some children at nursery have nits. Mummy checks Tim's hair.
If you could not itch your head for me for just a minute. I know it's itchy, but just hold off.
Let's have a
Oh,
look.
Dominique, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yes, you've definitely got nits, Tim.
Nits make your hair itchy.
I know that. Can we go to nursery now, please?
Oh, no, I'm sorry, Topsy. Until I've got rid of Tim's nits, you can't go to nursery.
Oh,
Topsy, has your head been itching at all?
yes, a little bit.
And how about yours, Kerry?
No, mine is very itchy.
That's it, Kerry. Keep your head nice and still.
How did Tim get nits, Mummy?
Well, nits can spread from head to head when children play together.
What are nits?
They're little eggs that get in your hair, and when they hatch, they can make your head very itchy.
All clear, Kerry. No nits for you?
Yes.
Right, Topsy, sit down for me. Let's have a check of your hair. Let me see. Yeah, I'm afraid you've got nits like Tim, Topsy.
I don't want any nits.
Oh, don't worry, Topsy. I had nits when I was your age.
Give them out, please, Mummy.
We all did, darling. Don't worry.
Really?
Yeah, and it's how I know I can get rid of them.
Now, don't worry, Topsy. Mummy will make everything better. Come and sit down.
Right, Topsy and Tim. I need to comb your hair. This is a special nit comb to get rid of nits.
Right, time to go, Kerry.
Come on. Why aren't Topsy and Tim coming to nursery today?
Well, they need to stay here so I can get rid of their nits so they don't pass them on to other children.
Oh.
It's all right, come on, let's see them out.
But we can't miss nursery today. What about the 3 Little Pigs?
Oh, don't worry. I'll ask Miss Maple about your parts in the play. I promise.
Oh, thanks, Dominique.
There you go.
There you go. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Topsy and Tim. Bye, Kerry.
Thanks, Dominique. I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
It's not fair. So we don't go to nursery. We stay at home. And Mummy combs the nits out of my hair. It feels all slimy, Mummy. Why have you put hair conditioner in my hair?
Because it makes it easier to comb the nits out.
I've got sticky up ears like the 3 little pigs. Look at me, Topsy.
Oh, she's still upstairs, Tim.
Mummy, when will Topsy come down?
Well, I'll go up and get her once I've finished your hair. Hi, Topsy. What are you doing in there?
We're all having carpet time, like we have at nursery school.
Oh, Topsy. You really wanted to go to nursery school today, didn't you?
Yes. Will we still get our parts in the play, even though we're not there?
Miss Maypole will make sure you still get a part. You'll see. Now, come on.
I want Little Moon Bunny.
Okay, you get Little Moon Bunny. There you go. Good girl. And then let's go and get rid of those nits so we can get you back to nursery school tomorrow.
Yay!
Nearly there, Topsy.
It's taking ages.
Well, your hair is longer than Tim's.
Watch me. I put on some special knit music and dance for Topsy. I do a knit dance.
All clear, Topsy.
I've got no knit. I've no knit hair too. With a dancing no knit.
Right, Topsy, you're all done. I'll have to check you again in a couple of days, both of you, just to check there are definitely no more nits, okay?
Okay, Mummy. Okay. Thank you.
Good dancing. Right, Topsy, we need to get your hair washed and dried like Tim's to get you ready for nursery school, okay? Follow me.
Mummy washes my hair and dries and brushes it, and then Kerry and Dominique came round on their way home from nursery school. Guess what? I'm going to be a little piggy in the play. Oink, oink, oink. I hope I'm a little piggy too. Oink, oink.
Well, you might be, Topsy. Miss Maypole gave Kerry these to give to you both.
Inside it tells you what part you've been given. What part have I got, Mummy? Am I a little pig?
Oh, no, you're a house.
A house? A house?
Yes, you're the house that the little pigs build.
I know that, but it's just not a proper part. Miss Mabel says it's a really good part. You get to play all 3 houses, Tim. Yes!
Oh, and Topsy, this says that you are the big bad wolf.
Yes! I'm a house made of straw. I missed you today, Topsy and Tim. Oh. And that's when Kerry said, will you still come to nursery school when you move house? Will you still come to nursery school when you move house? We will, won't we, Mummy? We want to do all of the nursery plays with Kerry.
Oh, of course you can. I don't know what we'd do without our special friend Kerry.
Oink, 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 oink. And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today we had itchy heads, but can you remember what Mummy used to comb the nits out of our hair? Was it a hairbrush? Or was it a knit comb? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a knit comb. Watch this.
All clear, Kerry. No nits for you?
Yes.
Right, Topsy, sit down for me. Let's have a check of your hair. Let me see. Yeah, I'm afraid you've got nits like Tim, Topsy.
I don't want any nits.
Oh, don't worry, Topsy. I had nits when I was your age.
Give them out, please, Mummy.
We all did, darling, don't worry.
Really?
Yeah, and it's how I know I can get rid of them.
Now don't worry, Topsy. Mummy will make everything better. Come sit down. That's
Right, Topsy and Tim. I need to comb your hair. This is a special nit comb to get rid of nits.
right. Time to go, Kerry.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.